Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mama Nails Gamble. It's 8:29 and I am adding ribbon to the tree. It is warm in here, very, and moving along as much as I can. I've added a tree topper. I'm gonna add a couple more things up there. Thinking about the reindeer. Yeah, thinking about adding the reindeer to the top of the tree. Don't know how I'm gonna do that as of yet. Right here. So I'm adding ribbon. This is Dollar Tree ribbon, and you want to go in small enough sections, but not too small. And you want to kind of puff out the ribbon just enough that it stands out in each section. And make sure you adjust every time you go down a level. And it's okay to take a branch of the tree and kind of lock the ribbon in place. And you just want to bend the edge of the tree to the ribbon, fluff it, and go. And I did get this ribbon from Dollar Tree, if I didn't mention that. And so yeah, I'm just finishing up doing this tree here. And if you're left with a hanging portion at the bottom of the tree, you can always just cut that off. And I'll do that last. So now that's a solid gold color. Next, I have this pretty golden white. And this is also from Dollar Tree. You see, it has kind of a golden poinsettia pattern on it. I don't know if you can see that, but there it is. And the ribbon is 9 feet long, and for a 6-foot tree, that's about all that you'll need to start fluffing with. Make sure it's locked in place. And again, just bend a branch of the tree. And you want to make sure that the pattern side of your ribbon is facing forward as you're going down. You don't want to get to the bottom and realize that you have the back of the ribbon showing and have to start out all over again. That's frustrating. So you want to puff and then puff, bend your branch around it so it stays in place. Puff. Yeah. Keep checking that pattern. See right there? Okay, I did it. Like I said, I thought I missed it, but I didn't, so we're good to go. And again, you're going to get all the way down to that bottom. So I have a big bag here. I'm going to open this bag up. Also stocked with Christmas stuff. And it's crazy, I have battery operated Christmas lights that I got from the Dollar Tree in Florida. Haven't seen them this year in Pennsylvania, and I'm kind of shocked and would like to know the reason why. Another ribbon. So I have my oldie but goodie trusted bag of Christmas ornaments that I always use. They have some extra ribbon, but I'm gonna use this side, then I'm gonna do another gold ribbon the other side. Again, these are 9-foot ribbon for a 6-foot tree, and these come from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. Now what I used at the top of my tree is a Noel sign I got from Family Dollar. I'm really liking it. I like the way it looks, how it presents. Once again, make sure you're checking your ribbon so that the finished side is showing and not the back side that doesn't have the detail. When I'm doing things like this, I can hear music in my head. I hear Boys to Men singing Let It Snow. Wonderful piece of music. Very nice holiday song. Gets you in the mood. It really does. So I want to make sure you're puffing. Twist. Find another section. Make sure it's on the right side. Puff. Twist. Puff. And twist. Now it's kind of cute if you'd like to let your ribbon hang at the bottom and not cut it off. That's fine too. But if you have small children and animals, they may pull at it. So, you know, that's totally up to you. I'm putting on the last gold ribbon now. Back of the tree. So total on this 6-foot non-lit tree that my son got me from, it looks like Walmart, I think. Maybe it's Family Dollar. You just go ahead and you puff, twist, straighten, and continue. Puff, twist the arm of the branch to hold it in place, straighten, continue. Yes, sir. That's definitely how it's done. Okay. So far so good. Let me see. Oh, no. I want to see the chair. So we have the ribbon going down, front, side, and yeah, that's what it's looking like so far. So, I think I do like the tree topper that's up there, but I do have a couple of options. We have the star, we have the angel. I think I want both in the tree, so yeah, we're gonna do this. We are going to literally feed the tree through the angel, okay? This is going to help keep her in place, okay? I'm gonna do it on this side also. Don't forget, up here is that sign that says Noel. We have the angel up. Now we have the star. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me take back a little bit. The angel, the star, the Noel sign, all up there together. Look at that. That's my tree topper. I like that. I like that. So I got all of these last year, Family Dollar, Florida. That's where I was living at the time. And so now I'm going to utilize these to decorate the tree. So if you can't tell, my theme is the gold. As well as the pink. And I will be utilizing a lot of ornaments for this tree. Yes. So based on the number of ornaments that you have, you want to place the balls on the tree according. And I have 6 of these. So yeah, with that being said, some balls it's okay to put them a little closer to the edge of the branch. Some you want to tuck in. It just depends on you and where you like to see them. I'm going to move that bottom one. I think the 3 in the front are pretty good versus having all 6 in the front. I think that's just a little bit of overkill. No worries. Some reindeer I bought last year. Which I only have 3 of those, so they'll all be on the front street of the tree. Okay. Then in this bag, I also have the Christmas tree tea lights. And since I have a 6-seater table, I have 4 of these right now. I need 2 more. And then I also have these bells, which I'm going to use to decorate my small pink Christmas tree. You see the pink one up there in the corner? Yeah, we're going to use these bells for those decorations. So, one thing that I learned to do was cluster balls. if you cluster the Christmas balls, makes it a little more, you know, festive. So yeah, I have those already done. I'm going to start hanging out. Try to sit them where all of the clusters are pointing forward. And yes, I'm sweating. It's hot. And because it's so hot and I'm sweating, I turned the little fan around towards me. But I'll be back in the next video.